Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spicy beef and vegetable stir fry with mushrooms. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our spicy beef and vegetable stir fry with mushrooms, we have a roast that we cooked the other day, and we're going to use it up because it's really good, nice and tender. Yep. Okay, we'll just go ahead and slice this up. Oh, I just forgot. I gotta sharpen my knife. Hold on. Let's put this out of the way for a minute. And we'll get our AnySharp knife sharpener. Yeah, I forgot I was going to sharpen it before I started the video here, but let's go ahead and use it. We'll put it right here and we'll clamp it down. And we'll take our aceti knife here, the Santoku, and we'll go ahead and sharpen it. We'll pull it through there maybe 3 times. Just like that, nice and light. Oh yeah. Sharpen that right up. Okay, let's remove our AnySharp knife sharpener. It's got a nice suction cup on there. It won't move when you're sharpening your knives. And we'll bring back our beautiful roast that we have here. Yeah. We kind of turned these into like steaks the other day, so if you want to see that video, I'll leave a link in the description for that one. Yeah, that's pretty neat, and they turned out really good. So this is about a pound left of that roast, so we're going to just go ahead and slice it up nice and thin. Okay, let's try our knife out. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's slice off a few more. Wow, I don't know if you can see just how thin that is and how tender it is. Look, there you go. Beautiful roast beef here. Okay, let's keep slicing. It's okay to have a few thick ones, you know. They look nice. Wow, you could make really nice roast beef sandwiches out of these, you know. Okay. Boy, they look really beautiful. Okay. Nice. We'll rearrange them here a little bit. I don't know. Can you see them? How tender and juicy that still is. Beautiful. Yep. Kind of falls apart. Yep. Very good. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for how we made this because it really turned out really tender and juicy. Yeah, you ought to check that one out. Yeah, I think we're going to probably cut these in half. So let's do that. We'll move some of the little ones out of the way. And we'll cut maybe these big ones in half. Okay, let's turn them so I can cut them better. Can you see them? All right, let's cut them right in half. Okay, there you go. Can you see it? I'll turn it so you can see it. Yep. Boy, are they nice looking, those pieces of roast beef. Yeah, to make our spicy beef and vegetable stir fry with mushrooms, we have 1 pound of sliced roast beef that we sliced nice and thin. And over here we have our spices. We got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of red peppers, yeah, the flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that ought to kick it up a notch. And over here we have 8 ounces of mushrooms. They're sliced up, and all you have to do is put them in there, and boy, they're going to taste good. And over here we have our soy sauce, and we're going to put some cornstarch in there to thicken it up. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's start making our delicious spicy beef and vegetable stir fry with mushrooms. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high, and we'll put a little oil in the pan. And we'll let that heat up a little bit. Okay, our pan's nice and hot. Now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of minced garlic in there. Give that a good stir. Okay, now to that we're going to add our broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, white corn, water chestnuts, and red bell peppers. And we have onions in there too, so we'll put all them in there. Wow, boy, that's a lot of vegetables. Okay, let's give that a stir. Mix some of that garlic in there. Okay, to that we're going to add a little bit of beef stock, or whatever you have. You can use beef broth. I have some stock here. Mix that in a little. Okay, now we're going to cover that and let that cook for maybe 5 minutes until the vegetables soften just a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing with the vegetables. Oh yeah, they're looking pretty good. Okay, they're pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our beef. Wow. Yeah. Boy, does that look good. Okay, let's put that right in there. Okay, we'll stir that around. Wow, that's a lot of beef. Nice. Yeah, we don't need to overcook the beef because it's so tender. Okay, now we're going to put our mushrooms in. That was 8 ounces of mushrooms. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. It won't take long for them to heat up. Let's go ahead and add our seasonings. Stir them in. Okay, let's go ahead and add our soy sauce, but don't forget to mix it up, because we have cornstarch in there, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Put that in there. Now we're going to shut off our burner and mix that up, because that soy sauce won't take long to thicken things up. Wow, it's gonna be good. Got a lot of beef there. All right, that's about done right there. Okay, well, there you have it, guys, right there. That's gonna taste good. I can smell it already with the spices in there. Yeah, that's gonna be really tasty. Okay, we'll let that rest a little bit and everything will get nice and hot, and we'll get ready to plate that up. Yeah, that sounds good. And have a taste test. That's even better. Yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, here it is. Our delicious spicy beef and vegetable stir fry with plenty of mushrooms, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, white corn, water chestnuts, red and green bell peppers, and some onions. Yeah. Okay, and not to mention all that beef. Look at that beef in there. Or should we call it roast beef? Okay, now we're going to add a little sesame seed on top. Just a little bit. Okay? Yeah, we just got to have a little taste. Alright, let's grab this, one of these mushrooms. Yep. And a piece of beef. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see that? Man, is this gonna be good, I just know it. Spicy beef and vegetable stir fry. Yep, one of my favorites. Let's get that. There you go. Boy, is that tasty. The beef is so tender and moist. Yep, you can't beat this. And if you like mildly hot, spicy food, this is it. It's mildly hot, and the mushrooms are just wonderful in there. Not to mention all the vegetables. Yeah, they're loaded with vegetables. And plenty of beef, or should we say roast beef. And it's really tender. Boy, you're going to enjoy this one. Just go ahead and make it this way, because it's tasty. That's all I got to say about that. Just plain tasty. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.